Alright, y'all, I told y'all I was coming back with the pineapples. Like I said, shout out to my grandmother, Bobby Brashes. I never did this, y'all. So, hey, I'm just going to put pineapples in these cups, and then we're gonna see what we come up with, okay? Shout out to Granny Bobby. I would have never did anything like this. This is something my grandmother would do. I don't even really care for pineapples to extent. Don't want any juices. Try to pour out most of the juice. Then we're going to get a slice of cake. And as you see, I have 3 dishes for me and my 3 sons. I mean, my 2 sons. The third is in California. So, Adola, Anthony, and Antoine. So, the reason we have pineapples is because this is pineapple flavored cake, you guys. So, just trying something new. What?
You said that cool. That's nasty
can.
to you?
I don't know. I don't even know. Alright, so keep the camera right there, son. Let me get a fork so I can strain things. I want juice.
Perfectly cut squares. Precision.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so now we're just going to add some, maybe like 3 pineapples on top.
Buy now at Samaj Bakery.
Boy, that Samaj business is closed. Y'all can go to mymentalgoals.com. I am a personal wellness soap coach, and I do sell soaps, incense, and chapstick. I sell a lot of stuff, y'all. Check me out and support us.
High quality for low prices.
So
the best to you.
Thank you. So this is my bowl. So as you see, I have pineapples on top, and then we want to cut through. And so you see how it look, and then we could grab a pineapple. I'm not going to be on camera, but y'all can just hear the response. Make me want to slap your son. No smell. Now my son's going to taste test his dinner for tonight. So here's some. One is yours, one is your brother's. Fork. Or whatever. What you eat rice with? I don't know. So he's just going to taste it for us, y'all, and then he's going to go eat. Here is mixed already with the gravy. Thank you, God, for this food. Amen. I just want you to really taste it. Is it nasty?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? It's good?
Excellent.
Yeah, okay.
I feel like you already knew it was excellent.
Well, it was good to me, but I didn't know. We got extras left, too. But I didn't want to eat. We got extras in the refrigerator. Okay. All right, y'all. So, shout out to my grandmother, Bobby. So, Junior, then here, you could, this is one of these you could have for your dessert. Then we'll put Anthony's in the refrigerator. Here, put the cap on, you guys. And then this is mine. And we got extra pineapples. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for listening and watching to our family YouTube channel. You're welcome, son. Love you too.